Psoriatic smoking can also trigger a flare-up. While there's no cure for psoriatic arthritis, you can reduce your symptoms. Medications, hot and cold packs, and splinting can help with the inflammation, while physical therapy and exercise will help your body stay strong, flexible, and at a healthy weight.